Hey everyone! I'm absolutely excited to dive into Rainforest Tower today. I truly hope you guys are here to witness the incredible end. And if I should record or share my thoughts throughout the game, it's not every day that I have the opportunity to watch and enjoy videos like these. I must say, I'm genuinely grateful for all the fantastic sound effects you have provided. Unfortunately, some parts of it might not be flawless. But let's not stop pushing forward on reaching the finish line at all costs. It's only a matter of minutes. Time to reach that topmost point. Please do remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling and amazing content like this one. Please also take a moment to leave a comment and let me know how I can help you reach your goals. I truly appreciate all your support, and it's amazing to see how many people you have growing around my content. As for now, I've just a little bit more time left until the credits roll. So without further ado, let's get started on climbing Rainforest Tower. Remember to share this video with your friends and family. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe with more help from your side. Take care, explorers. We're not that far away from the finish line. This game has truly captured my heart. And I can't wait to see where we reach before the end of this journey. Thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Let the climb begin.